So, a brief history on Jamaican patois. So, Jamaican patois is an English based language. However, it's not English. Some people call it broken English because it have some English words mixed up in it. Okay. So, Jamaican patois developed and emerges when Africans from different parts of Africa taken to Jamaica as slaves, and those Africans have their own languages, and then they learned some English from the slave masters. So we have English and the African language mixed up, and it is said that Jamaican patois also have some amount of the Taino language, some Arawak, Portuguese, Spanish, Scottish, German, and I guess the list goes on, right? Yes, so that's Jamaican patois. Jamaican patois is Jamaican's Creole language. Jamaican patois is unique to us. It's spoken widely in Jamaica and in the diaspora. So, why should you learn Jamaican patois? Well, it's a cool language to learn. Yeah. If you have Jamaican friends, if you are a language enthusiast, if you're a cultural enthusiast, if you just love Jamaican culture, and if you're planning to travel to Jamaica, you should learn some Jamaican patois. You should learn Jamaican patois. If it's even the basics, like greetings, how to greet somebody in patois, and some other greetings different from wagwan. Yeah. So you learn a few basic words, how to ask for things like when you go to buy food or so on. So subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video, and let's chat patois together.